In this module, we'll take a look at how to do some very basic calculations in Excel. Now, a lot of people tend to skip this lesson because they view it as too superficial, and admittedly, it's kind of boring. Yet, it's incredibly important to your understanding of Excel. Let's get into it. Let's relapse back into grade school and look at how to do the 4 fundamental calculations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For starters, here are the keystrokes that you want to use for each calculation. You can do addition by using the plus sign, subtraction by using the minus sign, multiplication is done using the asterisk, division is done using the forward slash, and if you're doing any work with exponents, you want to use the caret symbol. Now it's just a matter of typing out our formulas. Let's start with addition. To add these numbers up, we click the cell where we want the formula to live, type an equal sign, click on our first cell, type a plus sign, click our second cell, press enter, and we're all done. If we wanted to subtract some numbers, we would type our equal sign, click our first cell, type a minus sign, click our second cell, press enter. If we wanted to multiply some numbers together, we would type an equal sign, click our first cell, type an asterisk, click our second cell, press enter, and we're all done. If we want to divide something, we click our target cell, type an equal sign, click on our first number, press our forward slash, click our second number, press enter, and we're all done. Okay, not so bad, pretty easy. Now let's up the ante a little bit. Let's revisit our grade school math and talk about one of the fundamental pillars of Excel. And that is, whenever Excel does any type of calculation, it will always play by the mathematical rules of operations. So if you don't recall the mathematical rules of operations, here they are. The way Excel works is it will do what's in parentheses first, then do any exponents, then multiply, divide, add, and subtract. Some of you may have been taught the mnemonic of "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally," or some of you may have learned the acronym of PEMDAS. No matter which way you learned, just remember that Excel will always do calculations in a specific order. In case you need a refresher or care to practice, we encourage you to take some time and play around. Over here, we set up a sandbox with some random numbers. Pause the video and build some random formulas like you see being done over here. The goal is just to toy around, build some various formulas just to see what you get, and make sure to use some parentheses as well so you can see how your formulas give different results. So feel free to have a go, and we'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, and now is as good a time as any to mention something called the formula bar. What exactly is the formula bar? Well, the formula bar is located up here in the upper left-hand corner, and the key thing to know is that with the formula bar is it will always show you the true content of any cell. And as some people have said, it's always a good idea to trust the formula bar. Why? Because you may see a number on your screen, but it may be the result of a formula. So if you ever want to see what's really going on, click the cell, look in the formula bar, and that'll tell you the story.